Hi there, welcome in. My name is Mariah Peace. I'm an expert bookkeeper. I have been in this industry for 10 years, and I use this channel to talk all about bookkeeping, all about getting clients, all about how to achieve your time, income, your freedom goals with bookkeeping. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and you are subscribed to get all the videos I'll be dropping every single week. In this video, we're going to talk about if I had to go back 10 years and start my bookkeeping business over today, this is exactly what I would do. So if I lost everything and I had to start from scratch, I'd be able to do it at a much faster speed this time, and I would not spend months overthinking or trying to learn everything. Here's the exact plan I'd follow. So just to give you a little context, when I first started in bookkeeping, I had no bookkeeping experience. I had never had a business. I had no idea what steps actually mattered. And I wasted lots of time and money worrying about things that didn't move me closer to getting clients. And a lot of time just stuck in fear and imposter syndrome around having my own business. So if you felt that way, I've been there as well. So most beginners fail not because bookkeeping is hard, they fail because they don't have a clear roadmap. So if I were starting over today, I just focus on 3 things and I almost ignore everything else. So before we go into that, I want you to identify your why. So when you're starting a business or when you're starting anything new, you want to have a strong why. Why are you doing this? So for me, it was, I had just had my first baby and I couldn't put him in daycare. We were having feeding issues and I didn't want to go back to work, if I'm being honest. And I didn't want to go back to being in an office or anything. I wanted to own my time and be with my kid and be able to take care of my household. And I just didn't feel like the type of person I am. I was going to be able to have a 9 to 5, drop them off at daycare, come home, cook, clean, take care of the kid, try to, be married, all the things. I just felt like, well, that does not sound good. So I was like, well, let me at least give something else a try. And I started looking at, things and chose bookkeeping. So I wanted to stay home with my kids. I wanted to work 10, 15 hours a week. That was really during their nap time. I ended up in the last 10 years having 3 kids. That's why I say their nap time. And I wanted something where I could have monthly income. So something that I wasn't looking for new clients every single month, or I wasn't always constantly on the chase. I wanted to be able to have 5 to 10 clients around the $800 to $1,000 a month mark that were just paying me every single month to do the bookkeeping. So that was kind of my goals, and my why. It was okay, if I can do this, I'm going to be sitting pretty. I'm going to be able to stay home with my kids. I'm going to be able to work on my own schedule. I'm going to be able to have life how I want it while I was figuring out motherhood and having multiple kids. So I want you to figure out your clear goal, your clear why, how many clients you want, how many hours you want to work, build that vision out in your head. Then the first step is I would spend 30 days learning bookkeeping and getting QuickBooks certified. How you're going to learn bookkeeping is you're going to register for the QuickBooks certification, and it's totally free. And you're going to go through their QuickBooks Pro Advisor training, and you're going to go through their certification. This is going to give you such a good foundation of QuickBooks, of bookkeeping, of everything that you need to know, really. A lot of what you learn, you're not going to necessarily use day to day, but it's still a good place for beginners to learn. It's definitely what I recommend. It's what I recommend in all of my programs. While you're doing the training, I want you using the sample client inside of your QuickBooks account, because you'll get a professional account that's totally free and it'll have a sample client in there. I want you to be practicing on the sample client while you're doing the training. So you're getting both the hands-on component and the educational training. Once you are certified, I want you to go to QuickBooks and register an account for your personal finances. I want you to do the whole process. Link the bank account, add all your personal transactions, reconcile the account. Even if you just do one of your credit cards or one of your checking, I want you to set up a QuickBooks for your personal account. Even if you just use the free trial and then cancel it after that, or lots of my members end up keeping it to manage their personal finances. But I want you to have that experience from start to finish of setting up a QuickBooks account, of linking the accounts, of seeing what it's going to be like to do it for an actual client. Between that and the practice on the sample client and the training and certification, you are going to have all the tools you need to get to work with clients. Okay. So after you've done the hands-on practice and all of that, the second step is going to be to set up your business. So that's going to entail choosing a business name, creating a simple logo, setting up a business email, You're going to set up invoicing and a payment processor and get your client documents ready. You at least need a client contract and invoices. You can do invoices in QuickBooks, and you can use the QuickBooks Pro Advisor profile you'll get after certification as your website. Okay? So nothing fancy. Everything I'm telling you is free, by the way. So all of this stuff you can do is free. Obviously, there's other ways you can do it where you spend money, but if you're like, hey, I'm looking to start for free, this is exactly what you need to do. After you have all those business steps set up, the third thing you want to do is start reaching out to clients every single day. Don't wait until you feel ready. Start reaching out immediately. What I recommend is searching Facebook at the top. I need help with QuickBooks, or I need a bookkeeper, and a bunch of posts will come up and you'll have to sift through, but a bunch of posts will come up of people saying, I need help with QuickBooks, or business owners. You'll be able to either find their email or DM or comment on their posts. You could do that on LinkedIn. You could do that even on job boards. On job boards, some of them are like in-office positions where like they need somebody to come in office, but a lot of them aren't. A lot of them are small businesses who are like, I just need help with QuickBooks, or I just need help with bookkeeping, and they're open to being a remote virtual client. I've gotten so many clients that way. You want to get in front of clients who have their hand up, who are saying, hey, I need a bookkeeper. That's the way you're going to get clients quickly, is by matching yourself with people who already need. In the beginning, you're going to have to be doing this client outreach process every day, consistently. Once you have 5 to 10 clients, then you'll start building referrals and you won't have to grind as hard once you've reached your income goal. But in the beginning, I want you spending 30 minutes to an hour a day looking for these posts, reaching out to clients. Try to send at least 10 a day, and watch your business grow. Watch you sign clients every single month. Watch it grow. But it's not going to build itself. You have to be committed to doing that outreach process. And in the outreach process, you're just reaching out, telling them a little bit about you, that you're accepting clients, and what's a good time to talk for a consultation. On the consultation call, everyone's so scared of those. They're basically just telling you about their business. They're doing most of the talking. They're going to tell you where they stand in accounting, where they stand for bookkeeping, where everything's at, and what services they're looking for. Okay? Next thing you want to do is, let's say a client you're moving forward, you want to then just email them a quote, the contract, and then they invite you to their books and you start working. It's a lot simpler than you think, but you do have to put in the work to get certified. You do have to put in the work to find the clients and land them. But if you're willing to do that, in the next 6 months, I've had members come through my program and in 6 months have 5 to 10 clients and be able to walk away from their 9 to 5 and be able to work less, working 10, 15 hours a week on their own schedule. So bookkeeping, it's the real deal for freedom. It's the real deal if you're like wanting to do your own thing, own your time, have your own money, all that kind of stuff, set your income goal as high as you want. It's the real deal. But you have to put in the work and you have to be consistent. But if you're willing to do that, things can really, really turn around for you very quickly. So if you're serious about bookkeeping and you don't want to try to figure all this out on your own, I do have a free school community. Now, School's a free app. You just download it. You can join my community totally free. All you have to do is create an account. Now, the good thing about my community is that not only do you get access to all the discussions, all the bookkeeping topics and the comments, you also can DM me there and ask questions, so you'll get that access. You also can go under Classroom, and I have a free 3-day workshop under that Classroom. On day 1, I talk to you about QuickBooks and what that looks like to get certified and do that for a client. On day 2, I walk you through me doing it with a client, like what those steps are. And I also go over the pricing I recommend and the services I recommend offering as a beginner bookkeeper. And then on day 3, it's your 30 to 60 day launch plan strategy meeting. It's a very in-depth video going over the 30 to 60 day launch plan PDF, which you'll get and be able to download, which is just a checklist of like, this is exactly what you need to do with all the links. So I have all the links of where you need to register for QuickBooks, where you need to get certified, the certification I recommend, the pricing, what I recommend doing for your invoicing, your logo, all of the things. It's just step by step. So if you just want a step-by-step plan to follow totally for free to see if bookkeeping is a good fit, please click the link in my description. And you can also share that with other people if you want to do it with a friend or maybe a sister or a spouse. You want to click that link, register, download School, and you'll be able to have access to that whole thing totally free. If you have any questions on this video, please leave them in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Like, comment, share, subscribe if this video was helpful for you.